You're being chased by a... You're... Oh. You're being chased by evil clowns. And then you run into a wall and you die anyway. I'm predicting your future. Did you just spit at me? You just spit at my face.
Tomorrow we have to come back with water bottles.
Water bottles.
And then we'll work out.
We'll work out. We're gonna work out our muscles, except not really, because...
For 2 hours, I don't know.
No one knows. Okay, so we are here at this gym place. It's a really crappy gym place in my apartment.
I'm running too fast on this thing.
But, so, like, nobody ever comes here, because most of my apartments are either druggies, old people who are about to die, and people who are my age that get their exercise by running around like maniacs everywhere, so.
And some of them are drunk all the time.
True.
And we like to drink beer, they'll drink like 5. Okay, I need to go along with this. 5 bottles of beer a day.
O.M. gosh.
O.M. gosh! I'm running away from, what should I run away now? What should I be running away from now?
You're running away from, it's the zombie apocalypse.
And they can run fast, like in their bodies. Now you're dead.
Holy crap, Chloe.
Get in the house, get in the house, get out of 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 the house. I'm safe.
Okay, you're filming now. What should I be running away from, Chloe?
There needs to be more light in this room.
It should be more light in this
You're running away. You're running away from a herd of boys. I'm just kidding.
I should be like running for my life.
It's fun. And it's a workout. Run faster. Okay. You encountered a baby bear. What do you do now? Run as fast as...
I captured a baby bear.
You encountered a baby bear.
They can't do much though.
Whoa. Remember how the mama bears protect their babies, and so they think you're trying to hurt them. So. Okay, fine then. I'll think of something else. You see a herd of zombies that are trying to eat your brains with the mix. Aliens!
Aliens are cool though. They're not scary.
Well, I don't know. Are you okay?
I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it one day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe that I can fly.
No, okay, so what you're going to run away from is a herd of No. I can't think of anything because you're not scared of anything. What?
I've never been skiing before.
Skiing?
Yeah.
I have with my school.
Good for you.
In like 4th grade. My back itches. So this camera might be moving a little bit.
Is it moving away? It's happening to the camera. Oh no. Okay, what am I
You're running. Wait, no. I got a good idea.
What am I running away from?
You're running to me.
To you?
Yes, just run as fast as you can to me. Excuse me. You're here.
Oh, I'm running to you.
Now run to the back. Okay, just run away from... What do you want to run away from? What are you scared of? Spiders? Bugs? I don't know.
I'm scared of enclosed spaces. I'm very claustrophobic.
I am too. I'm getting really claustrophobic because it's really hot in here. You know how you have that feeling?
Exercise!
You know how you have that feeling, right?
Oh, no. But yes. I went on a very crappy field trip, but it was also really fun because we got to go up to this clock tower thing. But it was super freaking
This is the place now. This is the place.
Died.
Remember when we saw each other? This is the place.
Yeah, I told my teacher, I'm like, oh my gosh, I just saw Chloe golf. She's just like, who's that? I believe I can fly.
I remember I'd get so excited when I was a little kid. For field trips when we went to the dinosaur museum, I would get so excited.
Dinosaur museum.
I mean, that is kind of fun, still.
We went to the copper mine thing.
What's that?
The Kennecott copper mine.
Kennecott copper mine.
It's out in West Jordan. It's by Falcon Ridge. It's the biggest man-made mine thing on Earth. You can see it from space.
Holy crap!
It's a true fact, Mr. Person, guys. Woo! And I still believe that I can fly.
You keep doing that. Okay.
As fast as I can from the zombies. My foot is not even on this thing.
Just put your foot in the middle of it.
I am. Now I'm running backwards, but not really. I'm running backwards. Oh my god, this is so weird. Chloe, you should try running backwards. It's really fun. This is so much fun. Except not really, because my legs are... I feel like they're being like torn out of my body, which is weird.
Okay, my turn to exercise. I need exercise, and then when we get home, you're getting me a drink, okay?
Okay.
But it's not going to be soda. I have to keep a good fitness tonight.
A good fitness.
I don't know.
Okay, you are now running away, cause...
I'm going to turn on the treadmill.
The treadmill. I need to move over here.
Can I turn it on? Am I allowed to turn it on?
I think so.
Stop. Okay, well,
Oh crap, I'm sliding off of this thing. I can't sit on here, apparently.
Yeah, I put this on. You put on me like that has. That one's harder. That one's stupid, though.
I really have to use the bathroom.
I do too. Hey, there's socks.
How long have we been here for, dude?
What do you mean?
Like, at this place of life and land? See, it's so dark outside. You can't see anything.
How do I turn this on? Oopsie. I think it's already on. Turn on. Turn on, stupid thing.
See, there's stairs down here. I'll come and expose you to the outside world.
Oh, this is hard. Can I, like... Anna, where are you going? That's a really thick...
Whoa, it's like an office place. It's so Cowolo.
No, go down there so that I don't have... There's people in there?
No, I don't know. You freaking almost tripped on your foot.
Oh, it's that place.
What is it? I don't think we can go in here, dude.
It's locked.
I know, it's because it's the office, and I think nobody's even here anyway.
Okay, I need to know how to make this go fast. Okay, I don't know how to work this. Speed.
I'm going to sit on one of these
Whoa,
foot things.
it's going on!
Woo!
It needs to go faster. And go faster.
Physical education.
That's too fast. That's not fast. I need to go fast.
You're being chased, Chloe. You better run as fast as you can.
You're fast?
Yeah.
That's not going. It needs to go faster. Oh! Enter, wait, what?
You're not 400 pounds.
I'm just at 75, 400 pounds. I'm in the middle.
Oh my god, I seriously need to use the bathroom.
I don't want to believe it. Okay, let's turn this on.
I'm like jumping around over here, dude.
Let's try this one now. I don't know how to turn this.
Oh crap, I almost tripped over this freaking thingy-mabobber here.
Okay. Quick start.
Quick start.
Go on me. Come on, go on me. Please wait.
I'm putting the camera right here. It can still see you, but kind of. Oh crap. Stay, Mr. Camera Person. God damn it.
Start on me now.
Chloe's getting angry at the machine. Oh, you want to see the rules for this gym place over here?
Oh, Amber, I'm doing it.
Look at all of these retarded rules.
It's going slow.
And there's a fire extinguisher so people like me can run into it and say that we can't see because we're blind.
Come on, this is going slow. This one's hard too. This one even has the clip.
Gosh.
How does this even clip on you? It's to open the key or something. I don't know. Stop.